Aprobado na ng Senado ang 2024 budget ng Department of Justice at attached agencies nito. Pumangatlo sa may pinakamataas na NEP ang National Bureau of Investigation. May balitang A to Z, si Ian Maghanoy.
I move that we close the period of interpellations and debate and consider the budget of the Department of Justice.
Aprobado na ng Senado ang mahigit 34 billion pesos na Proposed National Expenditure Program para sa Department of Justice o DOJ sa taong 2024. Mas mataas ito sa 26.607 billion pesos na budget ng ahensya noong nakaraang taon. Sumentro ang deliberasyon para sa kinakailangang budget increase sa National Bureau of Investigation. Ito ay upang tuluyan ng matuldukan ang operasyon ng mga illegal na pogo na siyang itinuturo pinakamalaking contributor sa paglobo ng mga insidente ng human trafficking sa Pilipinas.
The Philippines is ranked second in terms of online sexual abuse and exploitation of children.
Sa Sen Technology Corp and Frigo Computer Gaming OPC, both obtained, Mr. President, both obtained temporary internet gaming licenses under the business name Smart Web Technology. Mr. President, just last week, November 7, 2 Chinese nationals were arrested while 16 women were rescued from prostitution then discovered inside the POGO or the Philippine Offshore Gaming Operator Establishment in Parañaque City.
The POGO situation has really worsened in the past how many years? And even if some of them are licensed and legal, there are still others that are operating under very shady, at the very least, conditions.
Ayon kay Senator Sonny Angara, katuwang ng DOJ ang pambansang pulisya sa investigasyon at pagre-raid sa mga iligal na pogo. Gayunpaman, ang PAGCOR daw kasi ang responsable sa ilang iligal na operasyon ng mga ito. Kaugnay nito, sinita naman ni Senator Grace Poe ang pananatili ng mga nahuhuling foreigners sa Pilipinas na nagtatrabaho sa mga iligal na pogo.
So what do we do with them?
Well, we have to wait until the foreign country is ready to receive them, Your Honor.
Find a way to also not be the subject of the same complaints thrown against the judicial system na mabagal, natutulog ang mga kaso. So, aksyonan po natin whether yes or no, approve, denied, etc. Wag yung tulog yung kaso, pero dribble. You're not a basketball team, you're the justice team.
Samantala, ibinaba naman ng Senado ang confidential funds ng DOJ, partikular sa opisina ng kalihim, mula sa 500 million pesos ngayong taon, 168 million pesos na lang ito ngayon.
Should we follow the wish of the head of the agency that he does not need confidential funds? He can live without it, Mr. President. The agency can live without it.
Well, if that's the case, then we'll welcome a motion, Your Honor.
Gayunpaman, makakatanggap ng confidential fund ang Immigration, NBI at Office of the Solicitor General. Sa pag-aaproba naman ng mas mataas na budget ng NBI mula 650 million pesos sa 4.57 billion pesos, umaasa si Senator Coco Pimentel na mas magagampanan ng ahensya ang mandato nito. Para sa Balitang A to Z, Ian Maghanoy.